Okay, boys and girls, we're going to review this week's spelling words. Our first word is the word yes. We're going to spell the word yes like a chicken, feathers up. Y-E-S, yes. Y-E-S, yes. Number 2 is the word all. We're going to spell all like a soldier. A-L-L, all. A-L-L, all. Number 3 is the word were. We're going to spell the word were like a basketball player. So grab your basketball. W-E-R-E, were. W-E-R-E, were. Number 4 is the word name. We're going to do it like a rock star. So grab your guitar. N-A-M-E, name. N-A-M-E, name. Number 5 is the word make. We're going to spell make again like a basketball player. So grab your basketball. M-A-K-E, make. M-A-K-E, make. Number 6 is the word game. You're going to spell game like a cheerleader. So grab your pom-poms. G-A-M-E, game. G-A-M-E, game. Now you're going to spell the word same like a boxer, so grab your gloves. S-A-M-E, same. S-A-M-E, same. Number 8 is the word made, so grab your pom-poms again. M-A-D-E, made. M-A-D-E, made. Number 9 is the word take. Grab your basketball. T-A-K-E, take. T-A-K-E, take. And number 10 is the word shake. So grab your guitars. S-H-A-K-E, shake. S-H-A-K-E, shake. Very good, boys and girls. I want you to practice this each day so you'll be ready for our spelling test. And if you'll notice, we have our long A sound spelling in our spelling words this week, which is A consonant E. Good luck.